What's going?
You lame. What's going on, everybody? Shouts out to the Vintage Squad. You remember the last video we did? We picked up the Air Jordan 1 smoke grays. She got a GS size and I got my size. Everybody was smashing like button. I was like, man, bring the gorgeous wife back on the channel. And she messed around and got your boy some sneakers, y'all. She bought me some shoes. I think she really wanted to just get back on YouTube. Is that what it is? Possibly. Hey, anyways, she got your boy some sneakers. We about to check out what she got for y'all. But if,
For you.
For me. We about to check out what she got for me. So like I said, subscribe, ring notification bell for your boy, and please smash that like button. Let's get this up to 500 likes. Maybe she bring or buy me some more sneakers. Who knows, man? Make sure you follow me on IG. You cannot follow her. My bad. y'all gotta find that the hard way. You feel me? Let's get right into this unboxing, man. Let's get it. You need a knife? This is what I use. I mean, I'm pretty sure you.
Before I open the box.
That. Hold on, I gotta get that right.
Can you do that part? Just do this.
There you go. You can't cut it? Oh, you cut it.
I can try.
You're not gonna say what's up to the people?
Oh, that's so rude.
You're not gonna say nothing?
What's going on, bitches gang? I am excited. I'm excited.
Wow.
Why are you trying to try me in front of the people?
Pink Bob.
Okay.
Look too fast? I look too fast, y'all. I look too fast. I'm getting out the way.
This big box down.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Pink box. Pink box.
This is the box. 8.5.
Okay, I'm gonna let you read. I'm gonna let you read everything. I'm gonna let you read everything on the box.
What you think it is?
The style code. You gotta read the colorway, and you gotta read. You said the size already, right?
Yes, 8.5.
Size 8.5. Okay.
Yes.
All right. What's next?
So I'm gonna read the name of the shoe.
It's kind of look like this is your shoe.
Why?
I watch a lot of I watch a lot of prank videos, but I know you got me some shoes, right?
Yeah.
This is for me.
Yeah,
it's my size 8.5. I'm just saying though, pink box, y'all probably like, yo, you clickbaiting, but Bae got me some sneakers, so come on, all right, read the size tag, read all that good stuff.
The size is 8.5, like I said. The colorway is pale ivory, black digital pink, ivory pale, and noir.
Or what is it?
And then the shoe is the Air Jordan 13 Retro CNY.
Woo! Where'd you bought these some StockX?
Yeah.
Why'd you buy them StockX?
Why not? What's wrong with that?
Babe, have you not been watching my channel?
Yeah.
And do you see anything I talk about StockX?
Yes.
I don't fuck with StockX. Why'd you buy them? No, seriously.
Are you serious?
Yeah, why'd you get them? Seriously though. Why StockX? Why not go?
I don't know.
Do you like StockX more?
It's not about what I like more. I just got shoes.
Alright, so if you guys don't know, I bought a pair of Air Jordan 3 Quad 54s and they were worn. They remember I had a huge crease in them?
Yeah.
Remember I was mad? I was emailing them back and forth. I'm like, yo, what's going on? I need my money back. And they made me sell the shoe back. And I ended up losing like $10 or $15. So ever since then, I've really been distanced from StockX.
Watch your hands.
Watch my hands, okay. Anyways, and then on the flip side, I accidentally bought those Air Jordan. Those Yeezy Quantum Bariums back there. Remember about those?
Yes.
And it didn't take me a long time, but I bought another shoe and ended up canceling the order. I forget what shoe it was. But anyways, they emailed me back. There was like, there was a problem with the seller and they refunded me my money. And I got the Quantum Bariums in like 2 weeks, I believe. And how long did these take?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay, so they did you good.
That's good, I guess.
Yeah, I guess that's good. I mean, I waited a whole month to get my money back from the shoes that I bought. I mean, I kind of know what the shoe is now.
No,
all right,
come
on.
Okay, so we're good.
All right, show them that. Show them.
Okay.
It better not be worn. She bought these from StockX, bruh.
I did, from StockX. It's okay. Little note in there.
I feel like that's some hypebeast stuff, like.
Maybe it is.
Usually people, StockX, but GOAT is the best.
Look at these, y'all. You've been looking at these, y'all.
I've been looking at them.
Look at these.
I've been looking at them heavy. Let me see if they worn or anything like that. They look good, and these released last year. So I had these before I did a review and on feet, but that was back in the time like, yo, I'm not sure if I really am feeling them. But after watching my own review And on feet, I was like, man, I like them. I'm gonna get them eventually. There's a lot of shoes like that I be wanting to cop. And shouts out to Bae. She went ahead and pulled the trigger for me. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But I'm still upset. Like, you know what I'm saying?
You're not upset.
I'm not upset. That's the wrong word. I'm just confused why you use StockX, not Go.
I'm not a sneakerhead, so for me, they sell sneakers. These are sneakers you wanted. You've been looking at them. So I'm gonna get the sneakers. It's not like I have bad experience with them, so I'm not biased towards them. You are, because you've had bad experiences, but they did me good. They didn't do me no wrong. So I'm glad we got the shoe.
These are fire.
I'm glad they look good.
We finally got them back, and I've been going crazy with 13s lately. Lucky Green 13s. Flint 13s. What other 13 that I got? And some more 13s coming out. So I don't know. I just was looking at these heavy. I got some other shoes. Hopefully you pull the trigger on those. You know my grill is. Go ahead and spit the grill out. What's my grill sneaker?
Scott's. No.
What's my first grill? You know my first grill. What's my first grill?
I don't want to say the wrong thing.
Come on, just spit it out. Spit. Come on. You know it. Come on.
I don't know it. I thought
you know
it
my
was
grill.
Scott's.
That's one of them. But what's my other one? It's a Jordan 1.
Okay. Oh, the breads?
Come on now, babe.
I'm sorry.
You know it's the
scared.
breads.
I'm walking on eggshells here.
What's the other? What's the other grill you think I got?
I know the breads, the Travis Scott's, and then
what else? You need? I mean, I don't even know. I mean, I don't talk a lot of shoes. Right?
Like you still have the ones that your graduation day. So I don't know. What's the other ones?
It's just a couple. It's a couple other of my grills I feel like I gotta go back and get. But I appreciate these are dope. These are dope. I threw the goddamn receipt. 1 second.
Extra.
So you spent $212. That's a steal. And I was watching these and it was like around $150. And you got them for, I think, yeah, you got them for $180. So that's not bad. I feel like these are gonna keep going up. A lot of shoes that came out last year are going up. Just go check the resale prices and you're gonna be like, yo, I need to hurry up and pull the trigger on these joints. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Here we go. Air Jordan 13 CNY. I'm not upset. I used the wrong word. I was just a little confused why you use StockX, not Go. But we have these finally back in the collection. And I think it was a shirt or something I seen on Fashion Nova. Shouts out to Fashion Nova. Got a video dropping soon. I think it was a shirt that I got right now, honestly. That went perfect with these. I'm not too sure which one it is, but I'm gonna figure it out. Yeah.
Pics coming soon.
Pics coming soon.
Follow him on Instagram if you haven't. I don't know what you're doing.
Yo, shouts out to Bae. If y'all want to see, or please get this to 500 likes. You gonna buy me another pair of sneakers?
Maybe.
Maybe.
They can count looking a little.
All right, 400.
What?
400 likes.
400 likes.
400 likes. You should have went up if 500 was too. She said it. 400 likes. She bought me a new pair of sneakers. And matter of fact, this is what you owe me. We did a video last year when we lived in Germany, or year before last, and we did a sneaker guessing game.
Yes.
You remember that? And you owe me some shoes. Here they go.
It's a little blurry.
So it's a little blurry. These are hard, bro. What do you think about these? I'm sorry.
I like them.
You like them?
Yeah, I like them.
I wonder if they came out in like your size. You got a small foot.
I don't think I would wear them.
You don't think you wear them?
I like them for you.
Yeah.
But I don't know what I would wear with that.
This is like one of my.
It's a pretty color pink though.
Yeah, it's one of my like most viewed videos on my channel, which is crazy. Like I said, I went back and checked it out. I'm like, yo, people's rocking with this video, and a lot of people like these sneakers. I liked them, but it wasn't like I didn't need them. And last year I was really coming back on buying shoes like I am this year. But I'm glad I got these back in the collection, man. Air Jordan 13 CNYs. You guys let me know down below in the comments if you have these joints. I'm very interested in knowing. And yeah, man. I'm gonna hold this real quick so I can do the outro.
Sure.
Yo, appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Please get this up to 400 likes. She dropped it down from 5 to 4. I don't know what she was thinking. She just started college, so maybe the math is already getting to her. She ain't started math class yet, but it's all good. 400 likes, and Bae gonna buy me a new pair of sneakers from Go, from the Go app.
From the Go app.
But these ain't like, they didn't wear these, like they ain't worn.
No.
They took 2 weeks. That's not bad. Hey.
Maybe you should give them another chance.
Maybe I should give them another chance.
Yeah. I think they did good. I have no problems.
We'll see. Bottoms is good, no creasing. The quality on these joints is premium, and yeah, that's it. Subscribe, like, make sure you comment down below. Can't even talk right now. Let me know if you have these in the collection. And follow me on IG at The Vintage World. You cannot follow hers, but you can definitely find it if you do your research. But that's pretty much it, man. I appreciate all the love and support. Shouts out to Bay. High five. And we're gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.